This is the webinar page for scheduling, which you will be sending to all your invitees. This is the banner image which you added while creating a webinar. So it's a webinar about tips to engage your kids at home. And this is the further information about the webinar, that is duration for the webinar, the remaining seat left for the webinar. Now let's say one of the invitee is booking a webinar with you, then they need to provide the detail, that is name, email address, then any other information which they want to share with you, and then the question which you added while creating a webinar. And it shows it's a mandatory field, so invitee need to answer this question before booking. Then click on confirm booking. So this shows that invitee has booked an webinar with you, and these are the detail, date and time. The invitee can even add it to the calendar. Let's say you want to add it to the Google Calendar, then invitee can do this by clicking on the Google. Now this is how it will be added to your Google Calendar. You can invitee can click on the save button to save this on their Google Calendar. So it's done. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to our channel to learn more about product features and upcoming updates. Thank you.